In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a pop-up modal in Webflow. Pop-up modals are a great way to capture user attention, showcase a special offer, or provide additional information on your website. The process is straightforward, and in just a few minutes, you'll be able to implement it into your Webflow project. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Webflow by visiting their official website. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up for an account. But assuming you are, locate and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your Webflow dashboard. This is where you can manage all your projects, and it's the starting point for creating your pop-up modal. Once you're on the dashboard, select the project on which you'd like to add a pop-up modal. It's important to choose the right project, as Webflow's interface will direct you to the settings and editor specific to that project. With your project open, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the editor and click on Add Elements. This feature allows you to incorporate new elements into your project. After accessing the Add Elements panel, you'll see a variety of options for elements you can add to your web pages. What we are interested in is the div block, a versatile element that acts as a container for your modal content. Go ahead and drag a div block into your project workspace. This will serve as the foundation or the outer layer of your pop-up modal. Now that you have the base in place, it's time to add the actual content to this div block. This includes the text, images, or forms you want to appear in your pop-up. Think about the purpose of the modal. Whether it's to display a newsletter sign-up, to provide more information about a product, or to share a promotion. Customize this area as per your needs, ensuring the content is engaging and relevant to your audience. Adding animation to your pop-up can also enhance user experience. Consider utilizing Webflow's animation tools to make your modal appear and disappear smoothly, which can be found in the interaction settings within the Designer panel. This helps in grabbing attention without being intrusive, creating a seamless experience for your users. Now, with all your components in place, take a moment to preview your project. This gives you the chance to see the pop-up in action, ensuring everything works as expected. Check for any final adjustments to align the modal's appearance with your overall design aesthetics. If everything checks out, you're ready to publish your project for the world to see. And there you have it, a custom pop-up modal built in Webflow. Feel free to experiment with the design and functionality to best fit your website's theme. With Webflow's intuitive tools, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!